Have you noticed that the Microsoft Excel title bar is getting cluttered? With updates to Excel, more elements are being added to the title bar, and one of the biggest pieces is the search box. Although you can search for content with a search box, you'll probably find the easiest option is to use the find command or Control F. In Excel, the search box is typically an option where we're looking for more information on a feature or function. Let's try that. What if we want to find a way to limit choices? Here I'll put in that entry. Perhaps I don't know exactly what the feature is called, but now I can see that there are options like data validation or protect workbook options. So this can lead you to features and functions that may be helpful to you in Excel. However, with so much clutter in the title bar, it can be more difficult to move or manage workbook windows. And with the search box in the way, it can also be tougher to see the name of longer workbooks. Or you may simply like a cleaner interface. This is one of the reasons why I move the Quick Access toolbar below the ribbon. So it's easy to make the Excel search box less intrusive. Simply go to File, Options, and in the General tab, under User Interface Options, here is Collapse the Microsoft search box by default. Now this will collapse as well when you have a smaller Excel window. Well, okay. And now you can see that we have a much more streamlined title bar. Now here is our search box. We still have that option. We can either click on the magnifying glass icon or press Alt-Q and then continue our search for different actions, features, and functions in Excel. Try this quick trick to collapse your Excel search box and remove some clutter from your Excel title bar. For more tips on being productive with Microsoft Excel or to sign up for my tips newsletter, visit thesoftwarepro.com/Excel. If this tip was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. This is Bjork, the Software Pro. Thanks for watching.